Next, we're gonna be looking at our Hypercool standard unit. This is gonna be our 25-row stack plate cooler. And again, getting in here, we'll notice fittings again stapled on the inside of the box. And this, because it is going to be a slightly larger unit, this one is able to fit a single fan and get the same efficiency out of the cooler. And one thing to note with any of these, the fan doesn't increase or change your cooling capacity. All it does is allow you to mount the unit somewhere out of direct airflow. You can go underneath the body, in the trunk, depending on what you're doing. There's plenty of areas that you can go, but this is if you have, radiator, intercooler, AC condenser, a bunch of stuff stacked up front. These fans are so you can get it out of the way. So this particular model, we have the fan, our 25-row stack plate cooler, and we do offer this as a standard fan or an IP68 fan, where again, it's waterproof, dirtproof, totally sealed against the elements. We use the same -10 ORB ports, or the 7/8 by 14, so you can do -6 up to -12, straight 90, whatever fitting that you need, and it's going to work on the application. And that same rule does apply here as well. That little bit of standoff, that's all that we need. So that essentially it's ready to just mount flat. The air gap is enough for the fan to draw through, and you'll get the maximum cooling out of the cooler.